How to add and set up sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on add mode. Then tap on sleep. Next, tap on the start button. Here you can choose when your sleep mode will start and when it will end. So by default, it is set at 10 p.m. So here we can change it say to 9 p.m. and we set it to 6 a.m. Okay. And then after that, tap on next. So we can scroll down and apply it from Monday to Sunday, or you can choose a certain day. Here you can turn on or turn off wake up alarm. You can change the alarm sound, or you can turn off or turn on alarm sound and vibration. You can set a snooze for your sleep mode alarm. And you can also set a alarm background as well. So here we can choose a background. Here swipe across and select a background, or you can select an image from your gallery. So here we'll select an image. So choose another one. Maybe this one here, and then tap on done. Then tap on next. Then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on or turn off do not disturb. So do not disturb. So we can choose to turn it on or simply just turn it off and then tap on next. Here say choose what to do in sleep mode. So always on display will be off. You can set it to on or off. Set it to grayscale. Turn on dark mode. Turn on eye comfort shield, sound mode and volume, and power saving. And then tap on next. Then tap on done. Here you can also choose to turn on or turn off smart control things and control smart things. Then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now set up sleep mode. Whenever you want, you can simply tap on the turn on button to manually turn it on, or you can let it turn it on automatically from the schedule. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.